Very cool morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Monday and we are going to learn English subject. Are you ready? Yes, before I am going to start the one new topic, we are going to do one warm-up exercise. Yes, so let's start. Yes. Come on, start jogging. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Stop. Again. Start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Stop. Yes. Hope you had enjoyed. Yes. Today I am going to start one new topic, that is this and is that. Okay. Now tell me what is the meaning of is this? So we will learn today what is the meaning of is this and is that. Yes, dear kids. Yes, today we are going to learn about is this and is that. Okay, what is the meaning of is this? Kya ye? Is that means kya o? Okay, kya ye? Kya o? Okay. Now, in previous week we had learned this. This means yahan, that means wahan. Okay, dear kids. I think you had this concept was clear. Yes, this concept was clear. This and that. So we will learn today is this or is that. So for that I am going to give you some few examples. Okay. Is this a stick? No, it is not a stick. It is a स्केल. ओके, ये स्टिक है क्या? नहीं, ये जो है स्केल है. यस. नाउ इज दिस ए बॉल? नो, इट इज नॉट ए बॉल. दिस इज अ बैंगल. ओके. Now, tell me, is this a pencil? No, it is not a pencil. This is a pen. What is this? This is a pen. Now, what is the meaning of is this? क्या ये पेंसिल है? नहीं, ये एक पेन है. Yes. तो इज दिस का मतलब क्या ये. यस. नाउ इज दैट. इज दैट मीन्स क्या? इज दैट क्या वो. यस. Yes. Now tell me, is that a doll? No. Is that a doll? No. This is not a doll. This is a ball. Okay. This is a ball. Yes, dear kids. This is a ball. Is that a ball? Is that a doll? No. Is yes. Now tell me, is that a doll? Is that a doll? No. That is not a doll. That is a ball. That is a ball. That is a ball. Okay. Now Is that a pencil? Is that a pen? Is that a pen? No, it is not a pen. It is a pencil. It is a pencil. Okay. I think you had understood is this and is that. Okay. Is this means kya a, is that means kya o. Okay dear kids. Is this means kya ye hai. Is that means kya wo. Is this means kya a, is that means kya o. Okay. I think you had understood. Yes. Now we will read some of that sentence beta. Yes, look at here. Is this a tiger? Is this a tiger? Yes, it is a tiger. हाँ, ये एक शेर है. Yes. Yes, dear kids. Now take out page number 9696, dear kids. 9696. What you have to do is just we will read this page. Okay. Now, is this a tiger? So, what you will say? Yes, this is a tiger. Bagh. Okay. Now, the next is that a cat? क्या ये cat है? So, what you will read? No, that is not a cat. ये cat नहीं है. That is a mouse. ये mouse है ना, चूहा. Okay. Now, is this a dog? ये dog है? तो no, this is not a dog. This is not a dog. This is a pup. This is a pup. Okay. Now, is that an old man? Is that an old man? Yes. Now, yes, that is an old man. Yes, that is an old man. Okay. This way you have to read this page, dear kids. Okay. Now, dear kids, take out page number 9797. What you have to do, beta? Answer the following question in yes or no. Okay. You have to answer the question only in yes or no. What is the meaning of yes? Yes. Yes means yes. Yes means sahi. No means galat. Okay. So we will read this lines. Okay. Is this a pup? Is this a pup? Look at this picture and tell me, is this a pup? So we will answer, yes, this is a pup. Yes, this is a pup. Okay. Now, second one is, look at this picture, dear kids. Yes, is that a book? Is that a book? Okay. Is that a book? So, what we will answer? No. No. That is a that is not a that is not a what you will write here? No, that is not a book. Yes, dear kids. So now next one. Come on, tell me. Look at this picture. Is this a hat? I will write here. Is this a H-A-T hat? So what you will answer now? Yes, come on, tell me. Is this a hat? What you will answer, beta? Is this a hat? Yes. What we will write? Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. This is a hat. This is a hat. Okay. Now look at this picture. Now read this. Is that a bicycle? Is that a bicycle? So I will write here. Is that a bicycle? So what you will write here, beta? No. No. That is not a bicycle. No, that is not a bicycle. Okay. Like this way you have to complete this page along with reading, beta. Okay. I hope you had understood this topic and also you have to complete it, beta. Yes, dear kids. Now we will read also. Is this a pub? So what you will write here? Yes, this is a pub. Okay. Is that a book? Is that a book? No, that is not a book. Yes. Is this a hat? Yes, this is a hat. Is that a bicycle? No, that is not a bicycle. Okay. So please note down all this in your 4-line notebook, beta, all in one 4-line notebook, and try to read all this sentence. Yes? Okay, we will see in next class. Bye bye.